Assalamualaikum and welcome to the video. Here we have Ex10-C for LS2 and 3. Okay, so question 6 was done in the previous video. Try to do question 7 on your own. It's for your homework. It's exactly like question number 6. Nothing is different. So just try to solve the question on your own. If you still have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. So now let's move on to question number 8. Okay, so it says that the figure shows the cross section of piece of cake. This is the diagram given to us. Is a piece of cake in which side PR is given to us is 16.8 centimeters. Uh, side QPR is 0.98 radians. Side QPR is 0.98 radians. It's given to us in the diagram. And angle PQR is pi by 2. Pi by 2 we have discussed earlier. Pi by 2 in degrees is 90 degrees. So angle PQR, it is given in the diagram as well. It is making a 90-degree angle here. Okay. The edges PQ and QR. The edges PQ this side and QR are to be sprinkled with chocolate rice and icing sugar respectively. Okay, respectively means that the first thing which is written first with the first and second with the second. So side PQ will be sprinkled with chocolate rice and side QR will be with icing sugar. So in this way I know that which side will be sprinkled with which. Okay, PQ with the chocolate rice and QR with the icing sugar. Okay, so this is the diagram given to me. What is asked? Find the length of the cake which is to be sprinkled with chocolate rice. Okay, chocolate rice we have seen chocolate rice is side PQ. So in part 1 I have to find side PQ equals to what? I have to find the length of the PQ side. Okay, so in this diagram as you can see, this is a right angle triangle. So I can use the trigonometric identities here. You can see here all three I've written here. So before using them I should know that which side has my base and the hypotenuse and the perpendicular. So for that I first need to identify my sides. Okay, so we had an understanding that the side which contains the 90-degree and the angle given to us, this side you can see here is it contains the angle given and the 90 degrees. So this side will be my base. Okay, so the base is identified. Now the side which makes a 90-degree angle with the base, as you can see here, this side is making the 90-degree angle with the base. So this is called perpendicular always because it is perpendicular to the base, and at the very end hypotenuse is left. So this side is my hypotenuse. So apparently P side PQ is my base here. Okay, and hypotenuse is given to me 16.8 centimeter. So which formula will I use in all three of them? So for that base I need to find and hypotenuse is given to me. So I will use the formula which contains base and hypotenuse. So base and hypotenuse you can see here. Okay, base and hypotenuse are here in cos. I have both of them. So I will use the formula for cos theta, angle is given to me, and base upon hypotenuse. So I will use the formula for cos here. Okay, equals to base upon hypotenuse. So cos theta is the angle which is given to us 0.98. Base is base is unknown to me. This is, you can see here, side PQ is my base and hypotenuse is given to me 16.8 centimeter. So I have to find PQ. 16.8 is dividing here. If I send it over there, it will multiply. So PQ equals to cos 0.98 multiplied by 16.8. So it's very easy. I have to use the calculator here now. Okay, so again, before solving the question on your calculator, make sure that the calculator is in radians. Okay, you can see here it's in radians. If it is in degrees, it should look like this. Okay, I'm converting into degrees for you. If the D is eliminated, you can change it. How? Shift mode, this will give you the menu. You have to convert it into radians, so press 4 for radians. Now it is in, you can see it's in radians, the R is eliminated. So now I can easily put the values here. Cos 0.98, cos 0.98 multiplied by 16.8, 9.35. You can see here 9.35 is the answer for side. PQ is 9.35 centimeter.